Then you top with some champagne. Just that good old Wyclef Brute. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. Okay. So we're doing a French 75. A little Curry Shaker 10 with ice. A shot of gin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just my buddy said we're gonna make it a good happy hour. 7, 8.
6, 7.
We're gonna give it a little shot of simple syrup for a sweeter drink. A little shot of lemon juice. I'll shake it up real nice. I'll strain it into this little champagne flute. Then you top with some champagne. Just that good old Wyclef Brute. Make sure not to pour it too fast, otherwise it'll foam up because of the carbonation. You're going to take a lemon, peel it off for a twist. You got to be careful. You can break your twist. Then you got to start over. So you got to peel off that rind just right. Make a little twist. Express it over the drink. Voila. French 75, nice and fancy.